What's going on, y'all? It's Dime, and today we're going to be cleaning up this old Dexter Russell 10-inch butcher's knife. Someone just brought this over to me, needing it cleaned up and sharpened. See the handle? You can see that stamp. That's the model, but you can barely see any of the name on it. It's worn off there. It would have said Dexter. These were made, I believe, between the 30s all the way up to the 80s. This one, I would guess, is somewhere in the middle. Probably 60s. But yeah, let's get this thing cleaned up. Got some deep pitting and discoloration. Not sure what happened to that blade there. We're going to do the best we can to clean it up though. Alright, y'all. I got this sucker pretty sharp. I was going to wipe that oil off and just slid my finger this way, and it cut through the paper towel and straight off the top of my finger. So I think we're gonna go with this one there. I got it sharp. It's cleaned up enough to use for sure. It's a user now. It ain't nothing pretty, but it does have a lot of history. You know, the Dexter Russell is I think the oldest knife brand in America, so yeah, a lot of history in this blade. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna call that a finished product. Friend just needed this knife cleaned up, but I went ahead and made him a little sheath for it so it didn't get messed up again. Yeah. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Don't forget to drop a like on the video if you enjoyed. We're almost at 500 subscribers. When we get there, we're doing a giveaway. Thank you all very much for watching. Until next time. Peace.